before enano pay ema akwaba onyame nhira wo sawo ha obi beka se ne mame ano chwa ne esa seda na do o se ye ma ya seda eno so nchen ya desrede so what you see etore bia no matter what the problems, no matter how it heat up, just go on your knees and keep praising God. Glorify his name. Pejani di yen said ya mani ni tie bia wo de yi wani ne koso peja ready din fa sedane ya yi nkamfo ne tontom no peja no ayani bi na wo dem amani wo de hyase me say moso but unim ni na he will do it. So what you see sanity te said ya wo ko tumfo bi ani mu sane mrane ye nana benchirebo una fiti kotie na ho bon afifiem nana ye nhia wanke be dai ye kurura ye dawasio ene dai wa maba wani mo nana kamensam fata se kamebo himfia ne nso rade wa mama yakonya maba nana we dia maba me de aseda na me de mawo wo de wo so ma komo ne yeda isi de wa ya ma ye kuru ye twa ye ne de wa ye bonse na nana ye homodwe so ubi wa no de obeka no wa dobro sanity. So what you see two page ready ding uye ne kese forget about your problems. Mami anoto ma wadi no munye forget it. Mami anoto me manu nyasa mo forget it. Mami anoto adwuma no nyasa mkitu daily fatu nchai. Mami anoto me yare hope forget it. Pija papa ni ding ni ehade. And ding Jesus Christ shall see pija dino ni ehade. Ehona abehu se amagani amagashia ni hu amagaho. Bosom kura waso wafo otintim woso sha si pija papa ni din ye hwade uti ase malam kura waso wo chechire no wo shade mabubu de na agusua ehwa yesuma light kura wonya sika ntia bi no sha si pija papa ni din ye tenda ni ye hwadi bisi ho. So what you say, we don't know how to do this. Yakwe fa so pija wadi tontom no ye no defe hinye kom. So what you say, san na wadi ope enti ne kibako enam dia ma na me no ye ba besua onyankopon asem ena no pay e besua onyankopon asem na me topic no o say God doesn't listen to sinners prayer onyame wontia de boy for mpae obi beka say ma dia no twa so sti o so kwa di biba ene so ye fi so obechechire wo be shey ukran ene so ensa dia wo dia bebom no chesa wo dia wo ba bia de be shake grounds na de ba yes ni nyina ne se ye ho adru obatan bi ani ho a ne ba ekura tu no na wakofa nsu nwunu so odi mia owi an odi nsu nwunu mia no de pada fefa nchancha wo se koda onan ibetwa tip me mo hwie be 1 week onan no ibetwa ba odbatan papa on pesi ibetwa ne ba nan no on nsuo odi ntomago atu oto ne boss yetu nsu ne guma owi a wo mia uwe wode topa ye red and yellow ode egum wo kam no pega wo nan no eda no eno nko ne se di wo si da. So what ya ade be chi ne kru ni wu otimi pega wo nan no ho se ekru ewu what ya se sanete ba oba tan opesi cha ne ba nan na ne ba no yusu crutches no ode nsunyunu ne mie ne bekru uwe na ode pada fefa ho se akwasi kokoda akola ne da ho na de beti no sorry boy no su ka wu mami osem adai osem menayo afi no ahwe se baby edu odo we dia akola dia kwa na wo so oduru doctor or doctors na de no mama na chesa ne na ne gisi etwa me mpese e be ye ubisa nti me ba de wo se me ka na ma ye ho oduru because from now going obi sending me bibi YouTube WhatsApp say the whole Africa you be dig sikakro almost seti bibia ebeba 2020 ya you be see me echinechi ya your prof you be disikakro everything is pushing itself eba nti ya e wo se di kan ye ho aduru na yetumi gine wade gine anyesa ye beto ye ho nwum se ye Christopher so ne ye nka ho ye tie mu onyame ho fie. So what you see onyame wontie wo de boyefo mpa ye ntena bonim emmompaye ensum frewrade so hu emobo enma so ye ntena dwamamum enkokoto mompaye so nyame nyakum onfiu because what ye dwam ye ntena koro no bom enka nkere wrade so wo maye ndi yi emma so ye ntena bonimu enka nkere wrade so wo maye nkoje emma so onyame ontia de boyefo mpaye mami no to wane say Yesu Kristo nyi wono na kasa de boyefo nti me ba be kire no mpaye kora wo na me wotie eni ti nipa bibrigu asori dem bom mpaye omu bretu e exercise no mo ye oba no tim fifira e ma ulusu wait ba se mpaye bon pa be ko nyame aso ensi onye ni nyina ne se ontie adeboyefo mpaye but nipa ni bi they don't know. They keep bothering him. They keep praying day and night. Unyame won't feel because oda sote bonim. So what you say? Oda sote bonim. Be your Bible no call and say John 9:31. John chapter 9 verse 31. John chapter 9 verse number 31. Be your Bible no call. John 9:31. Yonko hadi. John 9 ose na yenim se onyankopon ntie adeboye odeboye ni na se obi fere onyankopon na oye ade a opa ono na otie no tie ose na yenim se onyankopon ontie adeboye fo mpaye na se obi fere onyankopon na oye ade a opa sai nipa no ene otie no onipa bia ofere onyankopon oye ade anyame pe nti sa nipa no one na okoni nkotodwa nimu a na wotie mu a na onyame ebie na so na odi etie ne bible so what you say nti ntsena bonim ne nkobọ mpaye so onyame protect wonye wonte eno na binom ye na awrade na de bia me kwa sorry me bo afode me bo mpaye nso oda so te bonim oda so te bonim ontio obie hu se wo kwa sorry obie hu se wo seketi sifom obie hu se wo buduku but konkonsa pa chese just one thing just am for kwasum wo ko adwumu mu abrofu omu pe konkonsa obo de ba pe no wasum ni nyina nse wo benya wo mani mantom nti but you call yourself Christian a tropa we good so we been up no musu from Ghana say wo utimi to boss dia tro niema wa bruchira hade de nimu nyina wo kaka utimi dia tro me ka say oho mumu bi utimi dia tro mu bi kokofu okoton dia ba bruchira obi timi dia tro e mu bi ko jai ne yire onti atropa sandi paya nso kwa sori me bobo de mo friend nkitinkiti no so na cho obi jealousy ba eye me de won pese obi hu so obi koso ne ni boso na ne buofu eni berebere ye pa e wona fa o hie obi a e sister ne ho fe pa o na so wakoye ne hwene ana na o tue sika koma doctor na wako change ne hwene opese ne hwene netale ho wako change ne de ni nyina ne se bi osi hu sister no eye too much man ne ni bre ti o so koye ne die bi sister ne to so pa o won de no wako doctor ho doctor me to ye flat ye kutwitwa me yam ye de gu ne to ni bre pa we are sending paisa what you are sorry them or no bompire when you meet you. Send the we be mumma woman quine, and we lay hands our so more bompire. Send empire no one, when you want you. When you mean theatre. So what you say? What impatching? I was sorry them for obey and they say worship. We are and I pray Jesus Christ me samo obi yare on finance to baby o yare no me ba be bompire mano me worship na onyame de atoma koma pono so we dwama mofo bre bi de atono so open oni ni di nkomo omo frɛ WhatsApp ni YouTube omo test nkomo mu di nyina ye dwama nkomo onya nkoda ho ma be ma ne na ye nti oso ye kronkron sani pa no mpaye wonyame wontie wo onfiu obi ho no makowa fufu pai utimi di kowa me yebo yensema you good wo ubo so woni ne wadwum no twetwe ben wa na wo check ehu de wodie onye hu de wodie se wom na susen wono ne de no pe na wo fa utiri mu kan ekon be fa so ibi yi odie firi dwum mu no obefa so nso obekọ aso dem no ye dicknesses obi obekọ no ye elder obi bekọ no ye deacon obi bekọ no ye asori pani obi bekọ no ye usher obi bekọ no ye ntuni obi bekọ no ye Sunday school teacher nti yame bi da no so aye chronic what imu a wonyame ntie mpaibo bia wakobi ni wure fi se woye deboti nyame na se but woye deboye ni ti ni mpaye no onyame wutie na no na yetoli ani ye de erade wona woyi dan ye fi jatabu mu dan ye ade a woye dan ye ya onyame de kaye no nti ye mfa dan ye de meka ye de ho wo de na waye onyame de be kayo papa bi yare wo Bible Emma onyame soma se ye meka nchen so onye ni fo nhye ni fie nsamanse bi Bible no ne enko e de say bi Bible no ko Isaiah chapter 38 verse 1 Isaiah 38 verse number 1 bi Bible no ko Isaiah 38 verse number 1 bi Bible no ko ni enko hade Isaiah 38 verse 1 Isaiah 38 verse number 1 we see Hezekiah yade ne ene na seda edwo we see enanu no Hezekiah yare owu yare na se nipa bitumi yare owu yare to ka owu yare na chese owu yare wo Bible man na chese owu yare wo see Hezekiah yare owu yare na Amos ba odifo Isaiah ba ne nchen be ka kire no se Awurade sie nie hyew fie nsamanse na wori bewu na wori nyankwa ena Hezekiah dane nani kire afasu na obo Awurade mpaye se Awurade kai sede manante wanim no koremu ni akoma a edi emu na maye de eye wani so na maye de eye wani so na Hezekiah sun kase ena Awurade asemba Isaiah enchen se ko na ko kan kire Hezekiah se de Awurade waja David nyankopon sienie Matthew umpaibo mehunu unisio hwe medi mfie dunum meto wo onnaso na magye wo oni kroyi afri Assyria hene nsem na mabo kroyi ho ban ye beka kire Hezekiah oyare owu yare se onhye ni fie nsamanse no wo bewu ye kan asem no enam se woto nani a wanante wonyame anim ti wodi bekutu Awurade nti wankasa wodi ne tichira fesuo na wo bompa ye ka kire Awurade se Awurade kai se de manante wo wanim no kuremu akomapam enam se asema wo kan ye no kurenti wonyame hwe ya no se ampa mako ye asema wo kan ye no kure ampa wanante manim no kuremu ampa wa ye de sefata wo manim ampa eni de wo se nipa mesoma no onye no fie de na nsoma mesoma no won go back ko ka che de se matie ne mpaibo mate ne mpaibo because wo ye tinini ampa na sama wakane ye nokure mi asafo Awurade menye nipa mediatro menye nipa my kasama ni me ho se ye nokure ne sama wakane mi hwemu ayampa wanante wo manim nokure mu wa modwama ye ngunu ho fi wa mokro no wa nwiewu wa nkum nipa wa nyenkofo ye wa nsai ne ma wanante wo manim pepeyem nokure diem eni wo deserve se wo bossa mpa ye metie no na me sane yade na me de fie dunum e ka no ho na me gye no so fili na tamfo nsam ubetuma bossa mpa ye bi Se bibi to the yanda to a edi na odi be kotu awurade ni busa abra wo da so to boni yi mu a boni ye wo de ya dan ya bi nyina ye kan wo se one service forever save se bibi to a bibi siwo ebi a wo tekabu ato yire ntem bi ba anadu bomba bi ba edi na odi be kotu awurade edi asem na wo beka edi awusu na wo be su awurade ade na fedi wo mama ni ya ba me so awurade hwe se metena bukyira manante wo wani pepeyem mamfa ntro amumi ho fi mamuru nwaman manye ni mafunu mammo akohwibra awurade Yesu Kristo humi mobo edi na awurade mfankan edi wo baya bo and awurade be hwima de srade egu wani awurade humi mobo se de wo kai hana no obi onya ba wo se de wo ka ade hana ye ne awurade hwe ho edi na awurade hwe ho no nso wo se odi boyefo pai wontie na so obi fane awurade na wo ya ade a wo pa se nipa kro na awurade tie no ye ntena boni mu nkosre awurade o se humi mobo no way. Uji will be kunu. Who call Ariana who are warning ma. Who said an animal by bosses who never mauba. What brother will chimp and Uji will be kunu. When you miss up by a minute will be tea. We are true. What the kind de true a butcher. I could catch a by say. Only won't tell what you say. Who couldn't jaw. What brow bois. Wouldn't go the young cracker. Now dear Jessica baby, who we are no sako bunko to get so when you wow. Now Bushi asset na hotiano and your man call you mount. Now you have diabetes ya cancer ya be a dawson when you mean flu so one tea Bible. One tea that I suffer for the juicy can do the quack because what bonim umutim and yajuma. When you mean one tea the boy in Bible will be very rade. Na oya de a wo pa sa nipa kro no unyame ukotena se na ukutu uko nkutu de ni bompa Yesu frɛ rade mmemobɔ kai o se manante woni mpeyem kai se me betena buchi man fa dwama mangu me fi mani atro eni man nkofo ye manye bi Eradi Yesu Kristo wo kasetia nsanom ewo and say Proverbs chapter 20 verse 1 wo se nsan ifeudi for nsade ye ntop kopeni de otomuntentan nim nyansa sanyema nyina Eradi Yesu Kristo abruchi akamituma ya mana broso ensan fo komituma kototobi na nso Eradi manyo kai samanante woni mpeyemu Eradi kamituma ashejama fotam abruchi obi ni wonu ma meshamata de ne broso se me prediasa mitumu obeba be wura to oguo na nso Eradi hwese de mesia nante wo wonim hwe won kame boss mitime dim trachre no na nso Eradi Yesu Kristo enne me yare enyema nkoyie enso hwe wo me di nante kwa adwuma sabri pa bibia si pa ma bre ka wo se metene fie na nso mintumi mfrɛ nkasa ma bre wo se me call sick na nso Eradi enam se wo se wo mpentro nti ma call sick me sori ana me ko me yade se de be ye be hye wo nimonyam me yade se de be ye obi be hu me no wo be hye wo din kronkron na nimonyam no be kasa mpa Eradi agina ampa we num ne Kristofo Eradi sa nyema we nyina kamituma ya mana broso kamedi metimi di ntura kwa bam akwa gege niema na nso Eradi me pese me di no kurama wonti manye wo Eradi kai me hwamani amba me so hwe yade atome edi na Eradi mfanka uti boni mutimi frese ye mompa ye fa onkompa ibom osusu ti adwamamum akohwibra wo bonya sam ketwa eniemofuna wo ye na bruchire enya common wo se ntena feudifo tena be just want to party bi wo ha utimi ko bu mu wanko na ko butu ba bi bu pa wo wia no wasa betena se ye hira wo asafu Eradi kai Eradi hu ye mobo meja tie Yesu frɛ abruchi tie ye Bible Eradi ye mobo Eradi nkosi da be na wari be baso Eradi tu be hwemi akosi da be me fi abosoma dokoro mi Eradi nkosi da be yo na nkrata enye bi Yesu umi mobo obi manso tena ye tena na Eradi umi mobo wan hira obi a wonfa nim tukwan wona ade mi tukwan Eradi hye wo ani bonyamo Yesu so mi mo Eradi kasa Eradi ka onso te bonim fi because won fere no wonya ade a ope nti Eradi won kasa ho tu tie mu saa ne fifra to no sori akoda ade eche no wasasum wo be ya konchene amensu abom onfiu ni nyina ne se wontene sisie ye bibia to na esefe no wahambo yourself kakra bi enema bi kakra bi a oh mesi ebe ese ne yati uche ese se be producer ayi aponche ya chain for long ye dia homa so no kofo unya tepe no so mirika ma he ba obitimi tumika wo so hurihuri nyem ponche kamenim si di hurihuri ni bi dimi dane asa utimi huri sa no twa no huri gri obe huri gra enye komo sisia na sf uja usisi hurihuri bi hurihuri you will go back to your same. You won't change. So what you say? The bia kasa erade wo yemobo nti wo to ye di na dey erade na dey ni pass me si on this sia na nti Kristo so je ye be je binom de sisia na niam akoyia ma wo ye ye bobom pa ye sa check wo ne wo nyamentam check it so what ne wo se obi unyam unti unya odiboye ni mpa ye so obi fere ewrade no ye ade a wo pa Hezekiah kunya yaresa ankampa so kubewu. So what you say? Kubewu flat. But what you know said no. Unya me de bia waka wo se boni be kum boni for. Me tena se menya boni. Nti so wu bi kura ba, unya me wo kwan so twitwaje. Ebia na ne wrefi papa ya man. Ebia na ne wrefi se de masia nante nanim no kura mu ne payem ma me nkotu. Ti wo se radical. Mami kai hobium 3 no they say Isaiah chapter 38 verse 3 hona yem den was say oh erade kai said the man nante wanim no kora emu ne akoma edimu was akoma edimu na maye de eye wani so fe eye wani so wase na maye de eye wani so na Hezekiah sun kase ukutu urade ode ne tena ne kutu urade wasan sun kase nyonko na usui ukutu urade wase kai se de manante wo wani mu no kulem akoma edimu wakoma no edimu akoma na wamana tase ni mafunu akoma na se wadi hwemu akoma na edimu ana nyeso wakaya no wadi yeso yo Matthew wo checking so hu onyame to ne ni hwe o hwe na ye kroje only light there is no darkness tinese wo deserve say onyankopon esane yade na odi mfie bebre e kan mfie ho. So what you say? We have to quote the culture rate. I will see a culture rate. But what do we are not to be the culture? Radical Daniel Conde Jatabum, we know at the Kura Daniel yen to Namifisu Musro, Ebi Mumu and Jatano. Nibusao, so Namisha Kumanuma edimu. Erade kai Shadrach Meshach Abednego ejafu numu erade uba hobe adia Shadrach Meshach Abednego ye no awu nyame shakuman edimu no no who said no they don't deserve to be in the lake of fire, they don't deserve to be in the fence, I have to be there. Ya ye da usuna aye chronic no amanye na da usuna aye chronic no hwehwe mu akoma ne edimu. What you want when you mean no? Busa who said India? A chere say there is question mark. A chere say untene we ready any so. Into what to near a dear pan win so no fan so. Into my own tete will not cry more beside the be a pew so. Until say you will realize say hey. When you smith in my ready and your family body chene. And Bible or the boy in Bible when Uncle Poti and a hum. Ready menume unya uko nko sra ne hwe ko to dwenim ko sra ne se wurade boni asumesi ne maye fa kye ne menu me ho fira koma papam eno de obetie na wo te boni mu ne buofu wo sakobu sade afiri no onye na de yekra ye wo mai wo ba di boni wa rebel against you wo di nyambransam wo wie ya no wo sa besre wo bibi wo abra de waye no wo nyakra hu se waye boni no wo be pa wo chawo wo de be man wo hwe ya wo boni sum bebi wo be fa kura mpo wo ntumi nyina ti ye mu bebre ye konkoto dwanim ebi sori anadwo dasium ebi ya konchene ebi di wada but wo mo te boni mu ntu nyame wo fiu e ha no settle so ane settle so enya di obetio so what you say wo require ni ma bi man as wo nipa wo tena sa ni mu e bo mu nyam kopon ehun bobo bi wo Bible no ko John chapter 15 John chapter 15 verse 7 John chapter 15 verse number 7 your Bible no ko John chapter 15 verse number 7 or say so will be buse rade bibi no be ya man ti wo mo yom or say samo tena mi mu na mensam tena mu a mo besre bibi biara mo pe na ebeye ho amamu oti samo tena mi mu na mensam tena mu a mo bebusa bibi biara mo pe na ebeye ho amamu oti ewrade mu nensam ti mu ntu busa bibi biara wo pa enye ho ma wo mo busa bibi biara wo mo pe ebeye ho ama wo mo ne wo mo o se wo tena mi mu na mensam onyame asam ti obi mu a woni boni o sunu kura se obekọ boni o onyame asam se ti obi mu a o mapo onyame asam ti obi mu a oni atro onyame asam ti obi mu a o muru nwaman onyame asam ti obi mu a onyaza onyame asam ti obi mu a oni ewu onyame asam ti obi mu a wo mokro no obi onyame asam ti obi mu a onye abonefosam so what you say asam ne ti mu oto ne ni na asam ne ti mu a obusa bibia onye ma nti wo mo na asam ne ti mu na wo mo ya de unyankopon pe no wo mo bebusa bibia wo mo pe ewrade be yama wo mo so what you say nti check sa ne ma wanyina ne busa ho se okay afi na mate ase di nti a metie mu day and night onyame wo mfi mi no enie di nti a enie ma me boso kaskala na me chese bi me bompa ye kro ne ha no ne doso so what you say sanity na Isaiah 59 because Isaiah 59 be Bible no call the Bible no call Isaiah 59 be nko gafi be Bible no call Isaiah 59 ni ko bi di ntia onyame ne ye ntamachi o se hwe Ewrade nsanye tia a enso oje na nasumu nye dru a erenti asem na mum emuyo ni de ema no nemu ena ema nemu onyankopon entem etwa etwe na mu bone ni akata nani afri mu ho enti ontie min kenkan English no Isaiah 59 the Bible no call onyame na sonye dru wo na ye nipa kwa yitimi ka se ya sonye sha wo no think kura no wo hu ni nyina before you agene no mo wodi kan hu wo say Isaiah 59 verse 1 going wo say the Lord is not too weak to save or his ears is too deaf to hear but your wrong have separated you from your God and your sins have made him hide his face so that he doesn't hear you. So what you say? Onyame na so nye duru se ti asem. Ne nsa no enye tie wo se so oje. But ye boni ntino. Ama onyame wakata nani. Afiri ye ho nti ye bompa ye na onti. Eye ye boni wo, when you fast to save. Quick. She say can't me boom. Unya hu bi da ho. Can't me boom. Uti mu se kada boom. Na ujina baby. Kana ye gozo. Police for be ba man fu chuma no you mu wan se. Nipa ka we di na boom saga so te ase. Wo yi wontam, wo ni kura wo so wo yi. Wo yi te se de wo so da ye. Hwem no wo yi no ujina baby. Emre bi echam mi amebra. No chika e konkran konso. Na ka ni ko bomuma. Wote ne ni no ne akola keto abodoma keto kete ena ne gina nchen. Amanfu wu nye kono. Wono ene akola kete wose kwan ofa so ku gina owonim. Ekoy onyame fa so sewu ne ma no nye kono. Nti se bibi to na stela unya just say unya wojia na there is question mark. Unya me a quick action. Ube you easy. Ya no ube sanu ube bunku to je kakra bia da nyame ase apagya ne dia ye ne kese. Aka ye gya wo so ube so no yi ya na koto atini. Sa woni ne nante paye mu a na wo ya de wo nyame pa me kame kire wo umre wo busa bibia obeyama wo se busa bibia ra wo pe obeyama Erade min pai boy nu eni mana ni nyame kase ah merade ka bi mami o erade kasa na makoma to biyemo o esu amisi wa wari emu erade misi mi ya biara enye o erade min pai boy nu eni mana ni kama fokase ah merade ka bi mami o erade kasa oh rade oh na makuma to miyemo misi wo suwa misi wa brabo imu oh rade tu wana misi abrocha ha mi ye bibi biara enye oh rade anatu da suemu mi pai boy enu ani mwana oh mi kama focus ah oh me rade ke bi mami oh rade kaza oh rade ada mi nye boni ni consider na makuma rade consider be na be yare no beto erade mi ngosi da be na wari ne koye erade be ma ne no mabonti erade kasa umba bo be ni nu ne wo hu de wu nyina no so mfiu he knows everything wo be fi 1 seconds ko ti de wu ye ni nyina wonim everything your thoughts everything he knows everything but he decided so wonya di obeti because wonti ade boye from pay enkosi se ube hu de waye na ube nu hu be kɔ n'anim ade nkoto sere akosere body fache no wode be chaw no ne ntam be ye kronkron ansa no wa be busa ne bibio de koso ni nyina woni if you wode ekoso asomdwe ni he knows it de esi wo mane mu nyina woni ni nyina ne se wo ye na waga drink uwie na aka chense wo betima hwe nkola ne mienu de aka nyina wo be sanka wo mu no so se ne obe yusum mienu no wo de akere wo lesson so what you see and mienu no e hye wa horoba no wo se wo mbem wo wuntam wo mbem wo nya heart attack enti ba ko pie na wo ba ne ka mu nyum kura kire se wo ba obekum wo fio oba no ye bibi na wo bi wa no pe asama ba wan hwe yi wo de baseball bat e be buoku na wo tie mu fre wure se wure de fiu no no so hwe se wo pese wo kire ne de wonye so what you see wo pick man na chusu de wo betumi aso wo mu na wo bo no na semboje bit na wo ye de ope ne na wo mo de wo hawa to so a afi na wo ba be sre ne se wo no no mfiu you won't listen so what you say anyone onyame he knows us he knows everything ebe ye din ebe ye nwanwa me babo ye de bia me kanasem on kai kurameye. Because akolana da what the deep uchi loveless no di become boom. Onye oh mom what? Onye sao boom na kolana sorry. Yeah, mom, what? What do you want me to do? Oh, some meaning. The mission is something. Hey. Nti o no na da no na wo gye no papa. Sa na ye urade ntamo. Ni wo feri urade na wo tie na asem no. Wo se busa bibia. Bibia busa. Obeya man. Dia fato to o de wo man ho ne hwe di wo tie wasem pa ya hwe he wo bitimi frɛ ne baby wo kokoam wo timi frɛ wo kokoam me kai pa na miswa me ne me papa ankofo hia me yiro ho hwe wo papa wate wo papa obeyi bibia ma pa wo papa o pe wasem pa wo papa obeyi bibia ma pa me kai pa me papa kura se ayi koko ayi fo ya o mo ba wo mind bi ba wo ye di o Omuye bibi family minim hwe tintim krata whatever. I didn't know what my father did. Obi na no so papa wasem. Say you hwe papa no. Say you si be papa yi. Papa wo bibi sipa. Wo papa. O wie ya o mu chinchim mensa. Ya mama hu de papa no kra ya mama no. E na agusue nim me ma especially me ma line nim. Obian to coin call and they say Cody Voix they say and with Nigeria there will be a passport Nigeria and when you mess train the na cause of papa de mo trans me me you were free Ghana me do could America sometime you see so what see what ja and no one asema na what see wo nyankopon asema bibia ni wonu ma wode be kame wo no was say ye ni pakura ye nim say ni si di ne pama ye ma empra he no no asafo urade empra he ana ready fan ne pa emma ne ma ti wutie no wonya me fiwa na che say there is question mark work on it so woni mo so bisa me ready mfunfu bi wo ami ni mo na me sna wo de me kai ne de me kai me mumu yo bebrebe awrade hu me mobo ne fa che me sa so chi bi wo wo de be ma me na de boni ya che me awrade hu me mobo me ntumi nante wa bra wo be yi wa so afiri me mpai bo me ntumi ye nso we di kutubu je Christianity also o say I will spit you out from my mouth look what Krusu bi bahano me mbe Bible studies me nada I feel me bobbing some sa me say yes me denya me asesa na me sa denya me asema so for akosi ewu me say yes when you meet a real father you will be like a scholar. Two men they were standing bruni bako tuntum bako me kamechro aye didija me say that no my ya continent na was me refi could have sent me my ya continent I feel na me by force my me say eh wo mo bo asem no so me mu be free back na betom wom me ya ba me si mu ya wo mo bo asem no so na betom say yes hey enya komo I feel mo to no mu so ba ko broni no trans wo I got no choro nso wo so no choro no dia to enya komo me say me ni ji ya me wo mu wie no me say da be no yeah you can come back on Monday me ni bia brema. So what you say? And you come. After me to some say, huh? These people are still in Omo da suit to 1 year training in Bible school, a boss school. Omo to me you brought me to 1 month and say, what does this mean? Or say, we need a friend star. Miss you okay. Okay, yeah, because or boy with children, Miss no. At the end, it said, much more. Miss Musumia. No, me children anymore. During the Kasana neba bia no catch up munyia I feel you through revelation almost say we have to go. We will be back next week and I'm say yes. Yeah, that's such a match. Me hu baby nyame hyase drop on yem gu madwum ma hu be bi free by em se won kokom so we show off kakra em se won be nipa no ba ko be mienu off wo ye show off me kam kira wo hey nyame na ye ne nam no so won ne be nante payi mu a wonim nwase so won ne be nante payi mu a brother sister wonim nwase utiu wonim nwase baby wo so show up he will show up nyekon nti se utsene wurade mu na wonante payi mu a eno na won ne wo be kotu no awurade wo na wo se ti wo checke no na wo checke hye na wo sha akoma ne agene no ambasema wo kana na afi de wo pe no na wo double na de ama afi wo be yama na broso sana awurade yo wo yema ne wo de yenhye yefa ye ninto fom yema me fu bia no mo pe awurade asempa ubo wo nyom ma ne ba ne ba ko pe wo unyame timi pija kola na ma ne beda wo 10 children akoda ba ko pe na wo pija one person no no wo ye kese ni nyina ne se enima bia ma me no ekonkutudwa ni mu yeye eni mpaye bia obugu ne ba no so enam se wo nante paye wo awurade ni mu nti unyame so tie ne unyame utie ne pa hey yemu bi wo hono ye mabi ebedru me bi omo be kokko nyame be bi kwan amomo ko ware nkofu bi unyame hye da to mo free heaven de bia metaka me se minim empaye bi esofo wua eyire ne maame no obo se nye ne maame o se ye ne na bi ne boss ampaye no ema unyame connect wo ne sasofo kakraka yi maame no woni problem se ye ba ware yim Kristo sumu a heaven jese wono aka se wonko papa no wode ne tua na to say ya no de na ko heaven ho show se bebi otie na unyame akai no wonte kuma se unyame akai no hwan ba ye ne di se adwuma no hwan tene ne bra hwan ade ne di se adwuma no obekom ne ya won toto so obi ayi bibi na unyame afaso ko yi no sa ene wakai no nti se ne so obi nim ne maame a because of our ya wokom nti look at this oti ase unyame wo ni atene fo pai woti o wo wayem hyehye de maye ye ko bibi mu a ompe so oti ase nti jese ya rebel against him jese di wompe no ye di wompe ye tie nanim disrespect no ye wia ni asabe kotu no so oti ase ye wia ni asabe kotu no ade ni di kotu no ade ye di kotu no ye boa ntesa basi ye kotu no te sede Hezekiah wo kotu awurade se awurade kai se akoma edimu manante wo wani mpayim wo so usunsun denden nti su denden bia wo su no se wontene wo awurade anim a wo be su denden de but wontio ba se wontene wo nanim a usu denden obetio Bible ni so de ni teacher afesu no usu denden na awurade tie wie wansa na yade keke wo de mfie ni bi sakane mfie o sa na awurade yade ni sa wontene wo nani so a wonfa ne pan kame wote baby e wa ye den no it will be easy for you to barge in di nipa nyina se enye no sika no woni bia do ba ne be ko school wonko a wo ba ne be nya scholarship for university e kwa onyame be faso be hwe no ebe wo mama enyama be koyie no ebe wo mama sika no woni bi wo be si dai keke no do watnem free wo wie wo tia like be ne water be dia kan se wonam ti awurade ni mpa yimu a wo tase nam kunkwa o to tase nam kunkwa basa aha kakra Satan ho na udimika na refi awurade Satan che no ho na wasa ba awurade unie nti why two face to otnaso no hwesa wo two face ya sindi ton senwum wo bebo amade achi me mpai bo enu wo fi So what you see, you move be a how be that you saw. You say ready tamakoto chane, kobetamakoto chane. But Bonibia yitimuno, a ama, then son and can you tear a sword, no. I feel the ayetia, am away your bonny. Nkanensa so de wose enyetie wo se soje na so enyedu se tiasem but ye boni ni ye mumu ye bebrebe no eno na sisi na so efri ye mpai wo nti niema bi ho a ka o si enya ni easy but nam boni bi ayitima onyame se ontie ye yesu ye nyanhuni obi ye yeti boni mo ye nyanhuni ye kwa ne yesa ye wrade na afi we pa de wan hye wo ni mo nyam pa de ne be yire pa afi we pa de wrade se se wan hye wo ni mo nyam pa de a ade na de hye nam fom ne nko tete apon so wo ye de hye ampa wo ye de hye ampa se de wo kanu eyesa nke wrade ko tio menye sure say yesa wonye de hye ampa nko betio ku betio pa bi o Bible no call it say Acts chapter 10 verse Acts chapter 10:34. Acts chapter 10:34. Acts chapter number 10 verse 34. Behold me on Acts 10:34. What's it say? Acts 10:34. What's it say? Osena Petro bua na no kan se no kuremu na mahunu se onyankopon enhwe onipa anim na emum oman biara mu de osuro no na oye adetenene no opese oje sauti Peter Cornelius fie Cornelius ne na buso mu ya mamamufu onyankopon soma no wo e ma wo kan sempa na onkunkun sane ba wo so na ye wo se wo se Israel fo nko a e na nka wo se saade no e ba wo so onyankopon e je wo sa e na Peter yusu sa word we ma menko e de say English no ne hwade menkan English no 10:34 Acts 10:34 Acts 10:34. Also, then Peter said, now, I understand that God doesn't play favorite. Rather, whoever respects God and does what is right is acceptable to him in any nation. The oti rade no bu no fere no tie na sem no. Sa nipa no rade gye. So what you say? But no my yet say. E kwanya Cornelius e fa so bot ne nebra na yemu ye na do ya wo ye wo boy Israel for enima no wo ye no a wo tene wo awrade ni so wo bu awrade fere no no awrade kai no e soma Peter wa ma wo no mum anko o ma wo no mum se ko Cornelius fi ti aduane na ka wo se ye de mamma no enam so wo bu awrade fere no aya die tene wo awrade ni sunti no aduane no be ma e be ka wo no so na no bi e ma wodi e ma wo mo ye ne e wo ne nchen e be benefiting ti nipa bia wo suru awrade na wo fere no na wo ya ade wo nyame pe no wo fa nyama panka me wo no way wo so ya no pasa wo gine wo ma ho di wo mbedi wo gine se wo be kwakọ ye adwuma bi am pe bibi di ama wo ma ana meboa na wo ye awrade ba wo fere no suro no wo ya ade wo pe di wo so wo mpe wo nko ho na wo ko nko to de nko busa ne bibia na wo se sisi na so se me fa ma wo abra ye nipa ye mabusa ya apata ye nchi wo ma wo bi wo Bible no come Matthew say on Matthew 7 Matthew chapter 7 na meba your Bible no come Matthew 7 you come Matthew 7 for me ko ati Matthew 7:7. I mean, coaching. Matthew chapter 7, verse 7. Matthew 7:7. Tihan. Ose mumisa na obema mo monhwehwe na mobehunu mummom na obebiem na obiara obisa no onya na de ohwehwe no ohunu na de obomu no ohine no anase mumu nipa ben na owo ho na se ne ba bisa no pano a obema no obo anase obisa no apata obema no owo na se mo a moye aboneyefo mpo nim se de mumma enepa emprahi na mo agya wo soro no remfa nepa emma wona wo bisa no nti ti wo ye Awurade ba na wo kasa wotie wo ya ade a ope a emprahi wo se ye kra yi nipa de bonyefo ye nim se ye de ne papa ma ye ma emprahi ena ye bebusa ye nyankopon no ye nyankopon ye papa no ye bebusa ne bibi no won fama ye mabusa ye duane ye kra ye de boyefo ye wo mu busa ye pan no a ye ma won bo wo mu busa ye pata ye nchi wo ma won ye kra ye de boyefo emprai no won asafo Awurade boni ni mu ne ma bebusa ne bibi onye ma won emprai owie ye 12 no wasinti ade biara mo pese nipa enyo mma no monso monyo mma won saa ara na yei ni emra ni edifo eno emra no edif emra ne difo no die ye pese Awurade nyama ye no e wo se yesusu ye yesade man si ye pese ye kwa Awurade nim ni yesra no ni obusa ne bibi no wo ye ma ye dia ene yesusu so wo kasa kire ye wo si tie e wo se ye nante wo nanim peyim tena ne kwan so ye ya ade a wo pe ye nkodi bone ye wia ne yesan ba Awurade papa me pese me ye mintimi bone a me mpe na me ye Awurade we de ehumi mobo se wa wonim ekrukuri ase a so wate ase ena wa wote ase se no one is perfect so wa no one is perfect so wate ase me se cruise ba ye Bible says wo ko fa no one is perfect me se me no wo mungam no one I so him say salvation day salvation you won't lose it, you know, as long as you get it and you won't lose. So we will continue to stay in sin. We say we are saved and we will continue to, and I say you say you used to be a drug dealer, right? You say yes. And I say now you were saved, right? So are you telling me that you will go back to doing the drug dealing and you will still be saved? I don't think so. God won't do that. So what I say? Was saved from drug dealing. No, you were saved. So what I say? Into also we are born cry. You were saved, no? Onyame wo de becho. So what I say? Into are you telling me say Nyamena will deliver from drug dealing? No. What you say? If you go back to the drug dealing, he will still continue to save you. Mibi na meka chen moja na so yeso onyame de son kofu bi so obi a moja na be so ne so bia no okuta komapa onimsi di su kuta adi obi a moja no eso no so no wode ni die ni suru ahopopo wode kura sam konje a wanya onfa nwura to pre eso enya so a evaluma you e precious ade etene e good and you wow no. Cause na sem se di onyankopon wo no ontumi nya bone nti sa wo so nyame awo na wo da so edi bone dia na nya awo papa bone be funu ontumi nya wankasa ebeye wo chiwade you can do it ontumi nya so what you say na enona ye dia fani pani bibiri adwen especially abuchira eno na ma ye Kristo so ma ye kosi amankwa de yo ni nyina ne sa abrofo yi bi fidi ye say one save is forever save me say that day na me ti ase no me say No wonder. You see the way you guys. Until we be no yes, I my for Jesus Christ say make me running my gym whatever. Ya throw me di won kwan man no da so bu. Obe dura sorry dem na ho bon cigar. Obe dura sorry dem utumu sa anadwo no wana. Wakoko club mu wie no wo ba. No wo be gina wo gina ne chan tumu sa ne ho bon. Ni nyina ne say they were telling them say one saved is forever saved. So what you say? One saved is forever saved. We are no man catch us say unkonkron kra na ye Pentecost da no ache eno no say unkonkron hwe ego no eno no obia obefa Jesus Christ no unkonkron na ba mu it's okay and you don't need to speak in tongues and you don't and not there forget it eno nka ho. So what you say eno nka ho we dey ni nyina fu na me busa eno no it's because of some man for abuse tongues no. Inti ne mama kasa na say obi speak tongues e no so e bone on. It's a sin for somebody to speak in tongues. Apart from see one kophobia, omo speaking lying tongue, omo all the ya tro e fake e wagadrig. Apart from we don't have the genuine one. I just to no yinibi and no say okay, so be a mo bomb pie and all of a sudden obi am no shasi bie. Say ba eno no mo bebu ni se wo ye di boye ni kwa so wo kan na. So what you say? They insist one save is forever saved. Them say no way. Oh, junior betna table no kukuru ni Bible kakraka bai. Ah, omo I put it to you pa na nya komo. Me ne me bai I put it to them na me bai so I put it to you. Enya komo wa da no me say I have so time. Na nya sam ketwa. So what you say? You hear them say, oh, you see, they think one save is forever. See, and one they couldn't pay. Me so be rest on them for sister now to the channel from bon cigar. Brother no from bon so what daisy and journal and war back sorry. But they tell him say one save is forever saved to team or see when you mean Bibi and the problem will say, yeah, I'm going for surgery next Monday. Can you guys pray for me? Oh, so what you say? Obe so dot one no obeti I know it's bad. I know it's not good for my lungs, but I can help it, you know. Yeah, I know. When you say obe count, inti obeti. Who might be no way tire me sir. Obeti. Yeah, how are you? I know it's not good for my lungs, but so you know it's not good for your lungs. But you're still smoking it. So who is bewitching you? You know yourself that this is bad. You know it. But you're still doing it. So I'm asking a question. Who is bewitching you? Doctor Kura won kwasori akacho sa adi enye. Who nipa who say nipa na beka ho asema fu ya. I know it's not good. We are not there to for no tears, so no paper no, but not sorry them. Ni nyina ne say, when you find Jesus Christ, na ya born as soon dear or uncle. Nti da Jesus Christ be pie wo wiem no anwanwa sa teachings ni bi e na ye nua no ma wo makọ school no especially high school ni ya church wo no na wo so de bi gina pulpit ni no ma ne iPad no so a na wo keka nsem bia wo pe nti na wo ma na yesese Christo som no ese ni mo dia chechire mo ma me no chwa why are you talking like this ese mo ma Christo som na you too heavy okay Christo som is not like that. When you're saved. You guys are doing something too much. It seems like our God is so wicked. Please don't teach them like that. Don't keep saying that. Our God is not so wicked. Okay? He saves us. He died on the cross for us. No, can be say a child. Did you panic to one more? Was the son you go come over to sorry, but did just send you Jesus Christ to cheer about Brunko? Sister, I will DJ will now. Sister, who didn't tell one by our one who am because who did our son them to who you ready? Sunday school time no be flow be. Lazy be aba. Louis Vuitton printing. Aba. Yes, yeah. or say, any a queer ma, to send you back from Yonko near Pump Pemikum Bivu. Yonko said, no, ye free Sunday school, not Nakujina Packing lot, no move him. With the F. Power, we but I'm the name come apart. In a print to my and say you won't go for a genius or we edge my papa, so you went back on now lazy blue and no so for pa. And I'll say no, yes, oh, so just all the other comes was a method with you. And how you women, and no can your man basics above no their Kubunika boot. Nikunu to Sunday school, one also in a parking lot with digger. Sister no bar sorry or betonia mo, one must so bear Christ. Sister, your first will be how man would be cannot cook to water and him. Was a vampire out here, vampire. Somewhere I just the doctor said me yari. Na my I did even na mama do. So out here now. Ready who me go me could be 1 week in your baby. Ready who me go me moo. Ready the banners from you about him. Yeah, me won't cry for so for just a new common dear. Says I will tell me by and I'm a minion. Just a young way and Tim wouldn't be no more. Just a mention woman, sister, who be Jano. The lady who came to the parking lot and sell clothing, the same lady. To name to sono her pampama or see a lima. Say, we'll do hospital or see a case at the end of Jania Kosha. Because we are disrespectful, Fermin won't sue me. Me boss as you may meduma, me poor food that until some go see me pebby ton near me papa fear. Na me chia ba maami enya kokodro e de niam ba nti wo ba so na nyinya me no wo behwe no obedaka nti wono nti nipa be 5 Sunday omutumi stina fi wo ma sorry ni nyina ne sister no niam a wo mo free no obeba asori abihia wo mo agigi ni sika nti they won't come to church they will rather sleep because we need sika wo di betua akua abekwa sorry no se odo di kana metie me ya na de metie me ya pa wo kona sister Job sa asem me wo he o se metie me tia me ya pa chese me jime ho baby na me fridge mo ba na chese nyasum kitu akra tia me ya me se me take itare na no sukura ma na kra on se tale no pf ama me ni su me chese me ni kra tu de udro na adwo busawa ya uni nya me nkomra akosi jacket no hu wa chiro okay yeah guys yeah have fun at church. Oh, boy. Beverly P. I was so far remote was TV. Kumkrum no see any. One come young Kodanica. Who I wouldn't hear money by and sister was one master who should be. Who so Kotoya Ninti, who could react and went to man cross on them, who should be. Now the other buffon could be cries of mammy for and the 4 dinty. Sister Ipa, or obey one because sister never change lazy back on him. Okochi microphone now. Praise the Lord. Mommy and then I said, "We na na doyo hoda." E de radia say akraba na eba safimu. Yes, sister, you are sister cause me so han ma uma. Yes, sister, ya baso ni e ba beso. Ti mommy nyina ye ma na kwa aba, wa ba tena seminia. Obeti wa ba tena si o. Wa just na ye nua unse da wo odi mu eye. Yes, sister, on the was store Devon is no, Arlington Road. On the was store, any African market near my dear. Be a could be a obi, or Santon lace or Tony Tuma, and Tibia Oba Adore, and now be a on your course you are a giant dim, or ya sorry, but better swam out, come. And Tianian and Tushiana, a friend and sister course. Sister course, where they were battnas, you see. Near Bodge a jedi no hum de wo near mo bie hu eno ntina sister ne ba yo wo be pe customers wo me wi Kristo And today you make us a prophetic one. No, do. Yeah, Bible studies one who know. Teaching see cause one who know. Yeah, what problem the people tell you to become shredded. Yeah, more for the no could take him. Oh, yeah. Ah, I tell you, let your Christianity affect your pocket. Hey, I tell you today, let your Christianity, let it affect your pocket. My dear, let your Christianity life, let it affect your pocket. Nyame somebody was say, affect your pocket. I was say affect to see can show bottom no. I was saying nyame some affect your boss wo. Me say one day, what yakwo drenim ha. Me say be boy for the e dey be assistant the boy for the kasinti mfa ne niagro. Omuso na ye waga drag ntoko bia be ko huhu bia be ko koso wo maku ma odi mu akoten. Konkonsa huhu bi be bia. She's with them. And so the same person will go on her knees. The problem at the second time, a year can tell, who a year can tell. The idea and they say, oh, appear where your friends say, oh, you discipline, thank you. You discipline, a friend a year can tell. The problem is to say a year can tell. So what you say? To about why you poisonous, or be poison will be a so problems are going by you know as soon okokoto no nyame mfie no a o se medi nyame ntie me mpaibo a face of so for pon ka so okoje na home no ha na so for say dia e den pai o se me befie e say dia ni mu aye den na so for you no ewrade uni mobo akua se say baby ade no o se ye akonche wo dia me no be so for me das pa na ni achade ko chi ko breman onyanya Yesu Kristo onyanya nko ne boni da so no onyantie. Christianity will always affect your pocket and affecting the compapa so. Obey your mobo. Me come chiro. Ubi tria. E de beton konya. Beto machines. Kofo beba be diasa. Omo betina so you be preacher momo tie. Obe nyankwa. Na wa affect your pocket kwa because untini we ready any. So what you say? What sister will be a dear with Yanko pa unti what the boy from pie. So will be a dear etne. When you do your pa, Sandy Pano, or no material. Sandy, especially a butcher for Monsari, I get the fourth half. Because he bought for the African market for me, Monsacra. What want to be in the befu? Oh, you coach Bremai or the be say, what want to be the sra? What should you dance? Yes, or you're out on the story. You're the chikusia. Obeko different kinds or party or the odisra, you are the fan mama so cross, you are the fan and some, you are the sea cross, you are the fanaha. We are no washing the push up brazier, no poor baba bontina, or ye isra so. No, the num. Obeko no boss on you more on sacrai. African market, mon sacro, yes, a cruise you bet chimodi to went to boom a could be. Forget about the business and look for Christ. And for business, and go rest on them. From Monday through Friday, now we are do it. Sunday, don't try to take it to that church. And try. And yes, I do. You made the best one. One here won't to me. I suffer for no because of the money you can pay. Because of say yeah bought for dear mobile block a crackety no more so sad and nothing they refuse to tell you the truth. What you say and nothing and you mufuna we no omuntu min kancho and nothing and yama woton was store hono and they would have to so crack we are cromfo but they didn't tell you the truth. So what you say would you dance yes and yama ko for free Ghana e basto no na woton say ye kan kura pa mfaso wo dia to so no kire sa wo ye kromfo na de krono sika kobo afode e ne nti wo mo gege wo ye wan sakra wo be hye me nada wo mo no mo ye mo yodum ye gege mo so for mama ene na mo ho no o pe o lazy ni bi age o pese wo niema ne ba wo sese bi agene ne niema de be good fie no wodi obi dia mo akohye. Hey, who is on who is there? Who is making that noise, please. Cruise no fee. Sorry. Omubedi, I'm walk shit. Be wise. Omube defe. See a bekan no kura patch now, they won't do it. Tiano na obe chia, fe when you be house na default to for na do much. Who be do much? Who could do much so to say the walk up some so. Who be in a new bufutai. Because said default to for the nyame hu no mudi aduma. Nti o china you will end up omumu. Who ended up woman? None so much a bosom in your man. Your problem will solve, but in you, Yamina solve one more. Till you can Christopher won't come. Until she shall near Radintam, dear Bonnie, I'm a watching and ma, or I just I am chronic. I would you know, won't you say? Go on your knees. Would you phone him? The wouldn't catch them ready. So me will feed Bonnie be my year. Let me will fear a radim about him for me. Na metie mo watie me anye sa wo be yomobo sofu bia wo beti say yes prophet me fi Ghana ba na mudi me ka kire de yes prophet no wo hio nti wo nye hye sa wo ni wo nyame ntam ya ka wo hye papa ka wo betina wo dabili wo mpam so abompa yetie mamu na me yetie ka wo betina wo mpam so a shake grounds ama wo boni hu a wo be back it off. So what you say? Yeah, one service into say nipe di bon because one service forever say into nipe di bon here on one fan. So what you say? Or you may be an engineer on fan. Or you do pay because one service forever say. And no connection is show almost only nipa ya show monko. Omo di bon here kesi. Omo ni ye friend omo show monko. Nti what was so nyame will be wo me who say I catch me. No I can may say dear. Nature say me okay with whatever I'm doing. Me say mo ton niema was on them quit doing it. Stop it before send when nyame di jat to stone. Na brocha call di jat to my insurance bebo. On fa jat to obeso power. When you did to ha, insurance will help you. Did you want fun to or help? One year at the end of the day, or the chronic, ya need be told someone will be jack. So what bill store the job was told him and found cost on them for. So for money to flip penny, be wise, money now. And yes, I will be in the way you do flip and you prepare no one cause shit. So when you want, be very wise. Who yes of my so what's you who any money who's what's you who any money who's a challenge ready. Who ya no was a kubunko today, ever ready, who ya no was saying I could draw and lay hands on call for so bompire moon. Who challenge ready? Also, what's I lay hands on call for so say, who bompire moon? Now what can I go when you with you? Now what bompire will be a maneti? I'm looking for some moments of mammy. Which one is it? Ubakona sorry, Nekaka, no, would see a cunning watch, you know, you ma. What then day? I'm returning some friendly first lady. First lady. Your first lady, no. Yeah, Christ has been coming in. Woman, I wish I see we would do a basket or selfish who say no, the work from say what? Because to do now, wash I see about 1 year. Now, for money, I shall say the Buduku affecting or no so January. No, about the Buduku. Into was a selfish who say, a form one on found your bogan or the wire swine. One found. So what you say? Nti mumu bebra mu bra mu shata nisi munasi amukwa som dem a obu bomo kutia no is because so for mame wonye na gin say obesakra na wo aba beboduku ahye sekete si from dia ba ho nti na ya wo motete mo sa no meme so me no waka ni ho pe no mekokotena me chimi duku sei na me sekete a platform na me akotena ni mo baby obehu me pa no so acha me kaba na we mu ni nufu mu nyine guo no so di ti wono ntu nyame to nani wo so do onyame you judge it. Take a look. Mami ye also a face lady. Onyame wo de wa frisuru musoro. Na take a look. De wasra bi jam funkum. Shade. Eno sa ye chia o ye. O chia o mo te se ono na obeti. Eh. De bia no me hu wache. Na hu na ye fo ye soko sa so for mami eja ye siusia on kakra. Me ba no wampa. Nti wo oboduku wo se sam frisuru a. Eni chi kum nipa ka mu bebre kum. Yeah, see, I can't eat 3 so that you see from. What will find your again over the ice swing? Who will see you colo? Yeah, ye cost ye peninche. Ye ben nam take one get one swad your peninche. Mudia, Munye Monkey cabin tray, ye the mossy. Ye the sa, ye the big roofy. Tisa, one on a babuche near me for. Obeshi should be no so moduku. Wa babu chisi ka wo ho ne mefo timi towege timi sra bija fo nku tebo e Ghana kraso bi nku timi sa na wa tutu aha de o lazade ha wo betima to 6 months in row no wo tebo eno ni nku nsa wada no so ye ntie nche no wa kokko sisia no wa ibrum afi wo be yi na wam abetena se ahim ye be himo ama meni ne unis Yesu Kristo yankunim di franka Yesu Kristo yankunim di no ohim no enunti yarini kuguda ye be himo ama meni ne unis Yesu Kristo eni obechia kudure chiro wa uduku bo no seketi show esi wo wa shada wo bypass you say esi wo mu signature ni nyina ya chimo ya de ye ni na hwemo ye de ye ni sei na hwemo ni kunu ni ho akoka se akuya o kaba no ye hwe na wa mu wasra e wo si hu ho e ho nyina ekofom kakra otum se ba bi tuntum ba bi ekokko wo na chi na ha no ni nyina ye kokko no wo hwe na da no den ne kon so for mami ankan da so for be pa no ho asem so for mami me yi ni mpie o far microphone na. Praise the Lord. Mi be you ni monyamfo bi. Ye nyina ye papa. Our president, my love, my king, my Lord. Oba be preaching. Ye nyina ye fansembo. Ahonkeka. Mi so original naso. Ni mfenhia. Mi amikunu. Mi twetwo mucho. Osofo. Bam, no dey see wo. I don't know, it's less of one can dress in no. Umu PS of a sin of my effect. That will become a dress in no one, so we'll see a try her. Oh, yeah, no second in the Mrs. The Kratana Mochra, the Akotri Yesu. By all miss or becking kind. Mo amuti puppet nechi a obi hwa mosuam na musimun chile Christ no mo ne be chi no koso na chiro letter no na ba o miss wo be wie chiro na ba o miss Yesu be kenkan no de a chiro e da no nya fe na ne be bonkru wo fiti koti a wo ba no na usuba ni twa te se video na e wo ba nyina na wo hwe nti obi na be chiro se fa bonkum. And you will be the Becca departs. You will be the Becca. Mumu baby, Mamma Kunuma Jojo, no Christian woman, but in the year in tea, so for them to me. Ah, and somebody said me was as for the be watching. They almost tested me, almost sending me a message after program. Oh, yes. My minister buying to me, my papa, preaching undiluted word of God. What fun no moon. Wasanti abuchire emra ne koma no wudi agura wo be ma wada kom 2 months oni ne da wudi agura na wo pre ne sei ade o de be yawo no won hwe yi wo be fi message wo be fi ye ne yehunu ye onyame kuta lie detector. He's watching you in your bedroom. Dia wo de ye papa no ho, he's watching. Osofo a wo so timi bo wiye bambata henya wo timi wo se preacher wo preaching na won sakra. Sister na sakra usu na odikum. What you say ubufu what me bonu henya ufie uwi aka chanza no me be sense nwim wan hwi ya odi cancer beto ni nufum what me bom ame ne bambata henya no usu Die. Onyame wontie umpa no because we di boyeni. Oso wontie nyam nam choro yo. Na wabeka se me bu atai. Oso wontie wo di boyeni yenim se. Onyankopon John chapter 9 verse 31. Osinti yenim se onyankopon wontie wo di boyeni mpaye. Nesu obi fari ewurade suro no ya de opa. Ono ni nipa odi no. Oti ase. Utimi boma me ne henya. Utimi ye niema bitia no. Niema wo ye nyina nye. Ukojira popete nim na okasa. Nsima wo kan nya na eno na wo ye wo fie. Wo yire hu se wo kasa wo hia gen sakra. Do you? Misre wurade so wo hu mobo. Misre wurade se wo hu mobo. No fa bo ne ncho no ni mra wo so. Na mo beto ye. Wo si ye kasa se ya. No mo bu afu. Empare me se me defe wo. Ni me kogem. Empare me o se me defe wo ni me kogem. Misre wurade so wo mo ni mra wo so. Wo ton ni ma wa so dem efi ne kwenkoton bi. Quit doing it. And yes, sir, you will be in big trouble. Because you don't know the day that you will die. It could be today. Even tomorrow, say you won't even see 2020. When you die, and you be boss, you see Jesus Christ over. Now, if it's a child, you don't know the day that you will die. The day that you fold your arms like this. And life flat. You don't know. And then to be wise. Make a such nitiful. Make a such rabajemba. Make a such nyansafo wo power so ahimani makobi. Sani pana make a such no. Make a such will be an abre. Empesi will be kojem. No pese Yesu Christo ba. Onu so nya taban. Itu edikoshia no. Sanko fo na make a such no. The way you hu ya na wo disi aso dem po. And a chesa mu wurade na wo fere no. Eno so nte na wo tie ma wo ntie wo. Hwe dress ya wo de tie aso dem ho. Hwe the way wo siti wono ma wo de handkerchief. Nti tell ni ni pam ade na wo twitwa bitugu ye no. Se ye de handkerchief kata ye ba bi dia. Ade no wa ma na mfa materials ni nyina nto so no wa mpa mama na anya tenten. Half naked na de tie aso dem. E chesa wo mu wurade fere wo didi na tem. Uwi enyi a odi ama wo se enye uwi enkafaduku ba wo se dabi wo se sawegi go tiri so ena wo mo aye gran na wo gina wo pija wo nsa se wo yi awade aye wo challenge the authority of God uwi ya wo so wo yi awade aye wo pija ni di sa ni esuma awade ye koka wo se afari ade na wo kasa sa oba de wo se wo dress ya wo se wo ma dress sexy. Sexy no tia say. So we because a dress me kai first no. Me the picture to better oh you look sexy. So we be nim na me the picture to no you look sexy. I will inbox that person. As the dan Kenya me so say no. They look at me and they don't use that word anymore. Nesi nipa ne chosa wo dress ya madwaman mrem look sexy or so to me look sexy obi a wo kwa awurade anima wo so de fere na wo kɔ na sante hin anima wo betuma dress say half naked onukru ye nipa me se me be kruma na me sue bibi starsi obetuma dress say half naked complete bas bibi si no wo mo kokoto a ya hwenata de ehye no ni suit say a skirt ya see the was ya bo no why you decent I will be court but you draw solid demo ye share and don't tell say you tie rade you munu ye mfere no ti see tie mu a ontie anya de obetie hwe wo ba no dress you dey kwa solid dem ante we hu na sister bra nti wo ba no de wa ye no ho wo dey dress on we hu ah omo ye guess wo bo ko wutu ne na ye ntu achichire ne tu nyina na ne pants nyina bia bia wo nante se ya wo dibika wo duru wo so ankrum ankola ne kan na to so no wasa kan ne ya to so bam me say next month me ko nim jesi e be short me say nkola no me no wo mo a teenagers ne guess oh me say on be bo mo nsem Mami police, me se ubesa akofie. Ubeye mobo se. Ubeye mobo. Me kame chiro. Enyo, ti wunyame se wo ti Yankopo so yesumni Bible ne se natade ya sori fie ma onyame nankasa natade yu onyame nankasa tade aya sori fie ma nso ye be shatade ntra ni koto de to transe na sa twemba ne sere ntem na odi siwo na oyi nani ti obe wie no na sosofo no nyame amamu a nkoye obi adwane adwamammo na udwane aba so dem so nyame hu ne mobo obaya the same nakedness no ko hu no abonte no obeto no wasoro dem nti hifa no won fa nsakara ti ne chese wo so obeto adwamammo no so asafo ye wade nyina nkwan na so nyina ne fata ye kuruma wotumi to de upe bia but nyina wo ne fata ye to be wise misre wrade ma so hu mobo omo ni mra wo so bia wonya nhuni etru bia fa hwehwe tententen ne gina mu ne hate wo dress e gina mu ne kacha won konkon so won judge atade ne hyew ne fata sa wodi kopri nyame fie on kan kire na wo agina ayampa sa won konkon wo bet catch us wo akra you won't feel okay, you can't even go there. Ti mo hwehwe mo ntade na mo sofo mame fo ne nsoro wo fo sere mo no enne na mo sere wo ne kina wo mbesu enne na mo cheche mu o tena da yesu be pie wo wiem they will cry, let them laugh at you na baba wo no aye wo tantan sa na wo baba wo na wo se wo ye young what bra say et say your friend say oh yeah Gladys, wow, what do you say 22 and what dresses have hey now who says na why don't dress like this, hey, too much. Yes, I was so dressing decent, but this is too much. My show story I said you say would be better. Come on, you have to look nice. Because when you cry, why? Into 22 years. Oh, Jesus. Sa if one no could look for it for now, no more sorry, I know more ye. This time, Mentisa. When you mean not cry or party effect, so what I say. Also, dressing decent, you know. I'll be general chiness, okay, can't wait, you know, she was. Mammy, who for home? Who too bad for so one shot at the papa? At idea Estefatano. No, this one be general, she says too much. You're too much. Yes, a young girl, dear. Nasa half naked and the Mukuna. Nkasha of 40 I show them open ye. Tika by now, Kumunya the open. Miss Rera, this woman, we are mobile. And make a crabby say. Your wife won't eat your home, the Cassachas. What would you so coconda? No Mosra, Motia Samna, Adane topic of the old person bit here. Mamma not to one make. Me would matama yemede. Or see Shirano see a year or a yaw near cancer bonibia gumuso. Would dimatem pair. Nature say Shiraname, would dimatem nina me shirame. Tikosu dimatem, me metesa meniaje. So what I say, aha, oh yameno, nina me shirame. I like it. And no cry to me side ginger me more. And my mechanical crane who said, Yame Yane, Intina, oh yam, and me shira dosso to continue and do that. So what I say, Miss Rera de Mount. Miss Runya, Miss Yinamabo, no Maya Kuma, a Jenny, and you need the whole, you bet send us some say, you bay a diope, you couldn't go to get him that year the more. You suit see Fregradia, what GSO, no who your mobile. You uncle see. Jesus Christ made that was see. The show any Munamioka see, so no more to so there was me a mine. And ready yet say, a debate juma, you be this boy, you intimate nanti on the cream. Made that was so a dinkum, or don't. Amen.